welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve questions that based on the area of some certain figure. We have discussed the various conditions about the area, like the area of some certain figure, area of some possible path that fall in the rectangle. So our today's topic is only that we shall solve the questions based on the previous topic that we have discussed in some few last video. So I hope that you are all understood whatever I taught you in my last video, and I also hope that you will enjoy today with this video. So students, let's start our first question, that will be the area of rectangle the area of rectangle is 36 centimeters square. In whole numbers, in whole numbers, what could be its possible? What could be its possible length and width? So this is the given question. So students, read the question carefully and just try to understand what is the question gonna say. The question want to say that the area of a rectangle is 36 centimeters square. In whole numbers, what could be its possible length and width? That means if we solve it, then we shall find its dimension in decimal number. But here we apply the approximation consideration in order to find the length and width in the whole number. Okay, you all know about the round off of some numbers, so we shall apply the same rule here to find the length and width in whole numbers. So let's see how we shall solve. Area of rectangle is equal to 36 centimeter square. Okay, that means L into B is equal to 36 centimeter square. Okay, students. Now we have to consider two whole number such that when we find their product we get 36. So as we know that 36 can be written as 1 multiplied by 36. Okay, here we can say that 36 is its length and 1 is its width. Therefore, it can be 36 can be written as 36 into 1, or we can say that, sorry, 36 into 1, this is the first condition, or you can say that this is the first case. Similarly, it can be written as next, it can be also written as 12 into 3, similarly 9 into 4, and 6 into 6, only this. 6 into 6 is not possible because 6 into 6 make it square. So here we can see that there are 4 possible cases to find out the length and width of the rectangle in the whole number whenever its area is given, that is 36. Okay, therefore the length and width of this rectangle may be 36, 1, 18 and 2, 12 and 3, 9 and 4 respectively. Okay students, so this is the solution of this question. Here we have to only do that, we have to find out the product form of 36, because we know that the area of rectangle is length into width. Therefore, we have to write 36 in the form of product of length and width. Therefore, 36 can be written as 36 into 1, where 36 stand for the length of rectangle and 1 is stand for the width of rectangle. Similarly, we can write it 18 into 2, where 18 stand for the length and 2 stand for width. Similarly, 12 into 3, where 12 represent the length of rectangle and 3 represent the width of rectangle. And after multiplication, 12 3 is 36, give us the area of rectangle. Similarly, we can also write 9 into 4, where 9 representing length and 4 representing width. So here we can say that there are 4 possible cases in which we can find out the dimension of rectangle in whole number. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. Find the ratio of areas. Find the ratios find the ratio of areas of squares of side 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, so here the given question says that find the ratio of areas of square of side 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter. First, if here we see that the ratio of the side of square is, if we find, we get 2 ratio 6, that is 1 ratio 3. The ratio in the side of square is 1 ratio 3. Therefore, if we find the area, we know that the area of square is side into side. So here we can say that x1 be the side of first square, then we get the area of first square as x1 multiplied by x1. Ratio, we represent the side of second square as x2, therefore its area will be x2 multiplied by x2. Now here given that the side of first square is 2 centimeters, so right here 2 into 2 ratio 6 into 6. So here we get 2 4 jar 2 2 jar 4 centimeter square ratio 36 centimeter square, and hence 1 ratio 9 will be the ratio in the area of 2 square of side 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay student. Okay student, I hope it is clear. Now let us see the next question. The questions are very simple. You can solve every question easily. Now let us see the next question. The rectangular floor measure the rectangular floor measure 3 meter into 3.6 meter. Okay. Tiles of dimension tiles of dimension 10 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 10 centimeter into 12 centimeter. How many tiles will be required? The question is, are to be laid on it. Sorry. Are to be laid on it. How many tiles required? The question is, how many tiles required? Okay student, now let us see what does the question say. So read the question carefully in order to get the meaning. So here the question says that the rectangular floor measure 3 meter and 3.6 meter, which means that since the floor is rectangular, therefore its length will be 3.6 meter and width will be 3 meter. Okay, so this is the first requirement. The second is tiles of dimension 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. There are some tiles that to be laid on the floor is of 12 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide. Then we have to find out the total number of tiles that can completely cover the floor. Okay, we have to find the total number of tiles that can be completely laid on the floor. That means how many tiles we require to laid on the complete floor. So here one most important thing is that first of all we have to find out the area of the floor, and then we shall find out the area of one tile, and after dividing the area of floor by the area of one tiles, we can easily find out the total number of tiles that require to lay the complete floor. Okay friends, so now let's start to solve the problem. So first of all, here we shall find out the area of floor. So here we write area of floor, and this will be equal to L into B, that is 3.6 into 3. Okay, and here we get 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 1 10. Therefore 10.8 centimeter square. Okay, the next thing is that since the dimension of tile is given in centimeter, therefore whenever we divide the area of floor by the area of tiles, we need that the both have same unit. Therefore here we shall convert it into centimeter, since 1 meter possesses 100 centimeter. Therefore the area of 1 meter square possesses 10,000 centimeter square. Therefore we shall multiply it by 10,000. We get, I will write it directly because you all are know whenever we multiply 10.8 by 10,000, we shall get 108,000 centimeter square. This is the area of floor in centimeter square. Now we shall find the area of tiles. Area of tile. Area of tile will be L into B, that is 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter square. Okay, so here we can find out, we have find the area of tile, area of floor. Now we divide the area of floor by the area of tile, we get the number of tiles. Therefore number of tiles is equal to area of floor, so equal to area of floor, that is 108,000 upon area of tiles. Here 10 and 10 cancelled out, 12 1 ja 12 and 12 9 ja 108. So here we get 12 9 are 108 and 20 is remain here, therefore this will be 900. Therefore we get 900 tiles. Total number of tiles is 900. So 900 tiles required to cover the complete area of room. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear your doubt in my next video. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.